Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. If you're new to my channel, I do cooking, organizing, and cleaning videos. Today, actually, I'm gonna show you how I wash my pots. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Okay guys, I use the product called SOS for those pots. This is the final product. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you next time.